Greetings. I am Misty Powell with Holistic Healing Arts, where we hold space for humanity to heal mind, body, spirit, and soul while serving at our highest octave of enlightened consciousness. I am bringing to you today a yoga video on how to use your yoga strap. So this is a yoga prop that helps assist you in your yoga practice. And so I'll be showing you a few techniques on how to work with your yoga strap. So first one is working with your arms. So you can take your yoga strap and you can fold it in half. Grip a hold to your yoga strap, and on your inhale, extend the arms up and back and forward. Inhaling up, exhaling back. And here you can inhale through the nose, exhale out through the nose. Inhale through the nose, exhale out through the mouth. Now holding your strap up, you can take it from left to right. Now coming onto your back, finding a comfortable position on your back, taking your strap, extending your left leg out to the foot of your yoga mat, placing your strap underneath the arch of your right foot, extending the right foot up. And on your inhale, slowly guide the right leg closer to you. Inhale, pointing the toes up. On your exhale, pull down on the strap and flex. Inhale, point. Exhale, flex. Now without moving the right leg too much, you want to rotate the toes out to the right. Inhale, exhale, rotate the toes in and over to your left. Once more, rotating out to the right. Inhale, exhale, over to your left. Bringing the right foot to a neutral position. You want to slowly guide your right leg over to your left. Inhale, exhale, guiding your right leg over to the right. And returning back to center. And we'll switch legs, extending the right leg down to your yoga mat, lifting the left leg, placing the strap underneath the arch of your left foot, extending the left leg up. On the inhale, you're pointing the toes up. Exhale, pull down the strap and flex. Inhale, pointing the toes up. Exhale, pull down on the strap and flex. Rotating the toes out to your left. Inhale, exhale, over to the right. Rotating out to your left once more. Over to the right. A neutral position in the left foot. Slowly guide the left leg over to the right. Inhale, exhale, out to your left. Guiding the left foot back up to center. And release. Now the next pose here is a restorative pose. You want to interlace your strap. Placing the strap, the back of the head, bringing the right foot into the strap, extending the left foot to the foot of the yoga mat. Slow, gentle breathing, and we're just hanging out here. Working with what you have available in the right leg. So this allows a gentle release into the back of the hamstring, a gentle release into the sciatic nerve, the piriformis muscles. It allows you to move into the myofascia, the tissue that's encasing the major muscle system. And when you're ready, switch. And you can even play around with it here. And if you want a hands-free practice with this pose, and when you're ready to release, place a bend in the knee. Grab a hold to your strap. Release it from the back of the head. Guiding yourself up. Placing the strap underneath the arch of your right foot. Shining the heart forward. Maybe guiding the right leg over to the left, over to the right. Maybe creating a circle in the air with the right foot. Or just simply stabilizing the pose. And when you're ready to switch, bending the right knee, extending that right foot to the foot of your yoga mat, taking the strap underneath the arch of your left foot. Just a few yoga techniques with your yoga prop. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Misty with Holistic Healing Arts. Namaste.